हेलो माय ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, वेलकम बैक टू हिमानी गोयल सोल स्टूडियो, जहां मिलती है आपको क्लैरिटी, गाइडेंस एंड थोड़ी सी कॉस्मिक मैजिक। सो आज हम देखने वाले हैं वीकली टैरो हॉरोस्कोप, जो कि है 10th मई से 16th मई 2026, अपकमिंग वीकली गाइडेंस। तो इस वीक एनर्जी थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, कुछ लोगों को कंफ्यूजन फील हो सकता है, कुछ के लाइफ में ब्रेक थ्रू आने वाला है और कुछ के लिए यूनिवर्स साइलेंटली कुछ बेटर प्लान कर रहा है। तो एक डीप ब्रेथ लो, अपने माइंड रिलैक्स करो और मेरी एनर्जीज के साथ कनेक्ट करो ताकि आप इन कार्ड्स के साथ कनेक्ट हो सको। ये एक जनरल रीडिंग है बेस्ड ऑन योर मून साइन। अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप ये जोडिएक, वेस्टर्न जोडिएक से भी देख सकते हैं, जिससे भी आप कनेक्ट हो सके। टाइम स्टैम्प आपको मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। बेस्ड ऑन योर जोडिएक टाइम स्टैम्प आप ये रीडिंग चेक कर सकते हो। तो चलो देखते हैं इस हफ्ते कार्ड्स आपके लिए क्या मैसेज लाए हैं। बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करो ताकि आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे। और इस वीडियो को अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ जरूर शेयर करो ताकि वो भी इस गाइडेंस को देख सके और मोटिवेट हो सके और अपना वीक प्लान कर सके। तो चलिए, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। तो फर्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन है एरीज। चलिए देखते हैं एरीज का इस हफ्ते क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो एरीज, आपके लिए जो कार्ड है यूनिटी का कार्ड आया है। तो यूनिटी कहता है कि इस हफ्ते आपको राइट थिंग्स करनी चाहिए और राइट रीजन के लिए करनी चाहिए। ऑल्सो इस हफ्ते आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स या न्यू अप्रोचेस, जो भी आपको सक्सेस की, जो व्हाटएवर विल टेक यू टू सक्सेस, आप वो यूज कर सकते हो। चाहे आप ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच से अपने गोल्स को पूरा कर सकते हो या न्यू इनोवेटिव अप्रोचेस से आप अपने गोल्स को पूरा कर सकते हो, विच एवर वर्क्स फॉर यू। ऑल्सो दिस वीक यू माइट ज्वाइन सम स्पिरिचुअल माइंडेड कम्युनिटी, चाहे वो बुद्धिज्म हो, चाहे वो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग हो, कुछ भी हो, you might join spiritual minded community this week, Aries, for peace and better prosperity. So all the best, Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, टॉरस। Let's see the guidance for Taurus. Okay, Taurus, for you the card is pulled out is the moon, which means this is the time where you need to let go of your worries and fears. I feel that you have unconscious fears of your past which is not letting you to move forward. आपके पास opportunities आ रही हैं या आपको कुछ नया सीखने का मन है, but the past fears and worries are stopping you to do something new. So let go of them, learn from them and move on so that this will open the gate for new opportunities. Understand the truth of the situation, why this happened, and learn from it. You have powerful intuition, so believe in your instinct, remove all your worries and move forward. All the best, Taurus. चलिए, let us move on to the next zodiac sign, Gemini. Let's see कि Gemini के लिए क्या कार्ड आया। Okay, Gemini, for you the card is Prince of Spring, which means this week you have self-confidence and you are passionate about your goals. So it is the time to take immediate action and you are ready to take immediate action to fulfill your goals because you are very self-confident and passionate about it. You are ready to face any challenges and you can successfully manage those challenges which are coming your way to complete your goals. So you are ready for it and you are, moving ahead to fulfill your goals. Also, if you are single or already in a relationship, you will have a passionate relationship with your partner, and definitely singles will get the choice of their partner with whom they can have a passionate relationship. So all the best, Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन, कैंसर। लेट्स सी कर्क राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, Cancerians, for you the card is Ace of Winter. This card is telling that if you are stuck somewhere or if you are looking for some solutions, this is the week where you will have a breakthrough. It is important to communicate your ideas very clearly and accurately so that people are not getting confused. If you have amazing ideas, It is the time to implement those ideas. Don't worry and don't run away from challenges which are coming your way to complete your goals. This is the right time to complete your goals. It's a yes card where you will have new projects coming your way, or if you are looking for a job change, definitely you will find a job which you are looking for since long, something logical, something interesting where you can use your mind and intelligence. So all the best, Cancer. Chaliye, let us move on to Leo, Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Leo. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is Princess of Autumn, which means this week you will receive happy news about your career. So if you are looking for a job change, you will definitely find bright career prospects which you are looking for. Or if you are already in a job and a good career, this card indicates promotion or salary increment. Definitely you will have growth in your career. Also, students might get scholarships for higher studies if they have applied for scholarship. This is the right week for you. Also, you should have well thought plan which will go perfectly. So you should think about it and it should have a well thought plan for your career success. You need a little push to get going, so be determined and have a little push to fulfill your goals. All the best, Leo. Chaliye, next zodiac, Kanya Rashi, Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is Queen of Spring, which means this week you are very talented and brilliant. Also, you are very friendly, which will help you to build your network for success. So just believe in yourself, and there are wonderful people around you to help you in your project, in your work, or if you are in a business, help you in your business. You are friendly, so make use of it. Believe in yourself, build your network so that people will help you. Also, it is the right time to maintain a balance between your work and home life. So work station, work, at home, personal life. So maintain the balance between both of them. That will help you to grow and achieve success in life. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए next zodiac पे चलते हैं, that is Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Two of Autumn, which means you are juggling between different priorities in life, whether career, home front. So you should bring fun into everything you do, because otherwise it will be monotonous. You have to maintain balance. So whatever juggling you are doing, you are good at multitasking, but you have to bring fun in everything you do. You have exceptional talent for multitasking, but you have to maintain the balance between the two. Then only you will reach success in life. So if you have multiple priorities, jobs, personal life, and you are juggling, bring fun in everything, and you are exceptionally talented for multitasking. Make use of it. Prioritize your roles. So all the best, Libra. Chaliye next zodiac, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Six of Winter, which means positive changes are on your way. So if last week you have faced any challenges or currently you are facing challenges, rest assured positive changes are on their way. A welcome relief from troubled time. This card also indicates transition period. Maybe you are moving from one location to other. You are relocating for job purpose or shifting from a troubled place to a calm place. I know it is tough, but this will help you to grow. It also indicates traveling. You might be traveling for job interviews, or you might be traveling for happiness and leisure time. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's pull the card. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is Dreamer, which means you have all the resources in your life to achieve success. Manifest it carefully. embrace your true purpose. It's a time to trust yourself. It is a time to begin a new adventure. Believe in yourself. Have faith. Believe in yourself and have faith. This also indicates taking challenges in life based on leap of faith. So you have to trust yourself. You have to embrace your true purpose. So all the best, Sagittarians. Next zodiac sign, Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is Princess of Winter, which means this week you are very inquisitive, very realistic, very undiplomatic. You don't know how to, do sugar coating. So you are very undiplomatic and very realistic. So sometimes it happens that, you know the truth, and sometimes this truth helps you, but it is very difficult to hear. So you should speak the truth with kindness. So if you are telling someone correctly that he or she is not doing correctly, you have to speak the truth with kindness so that the other person does not feel sad or disappointed. So that is what this card is telling. Sometimes true information can help you, but it is difficult to hear. So you have to speak it carefully with kindness. So all the best, Capricorn. Chaliye, next zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is the Wheel, which means this week delays are over. If you were struggling to achieve your goals, rest assured delays are over and you will face sudden or unexpected good luck. So make use of it. This is the time where you will achieve your goals and success. Good luck is with you. Universe blessings are with you. This card also suggests if you're planning to buy a new house or new car, you can go ahead and purchase new house or car. Also, you might be traveling around the world for happiness and joy. So all the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is 9 of Winter, which means you have fears in your mind. Your mind is working 10 times. It is causing you sleepless nights because you are focusing on the worst situations, worst scenarios. So you are thinking negative. There is a situation, and in order to find the solution, positive solution, you have that fear, worst fears of the situation. So if you are allowing worries to grow inside you, and which is causing you insomnia, sleepless nights, so you have to shift your focus from negative situations to positive one, and definitely you will find the solution to your problem. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you everyone for watching the weekly horoscope. I hope these weekly guidances will help you to stay positive and plan your week accordingly. See you next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Cheers.